All right, so we got into doing a few more upgrades on the car, and here's a problem we ran into during that. Okay, so in my last video, you can see, actually, I think it was a short. You can see me get on the highway, leaving Dayton Cars and Coffee, and you see the car just completely, you get on it, it's just all over the road. It's literally just doing this. I take off in the car, and the left front just lifts and drops. Every shift, lifts, drops. And you're steering for it. So it's just wanted something a little more stable on the road. It's not like I'm taking this thing to the drag strip anytime soon. I want quarter-mile times, but I want it to be safer as well. So I said, there are drag struts in the front and there's no sway bar. So we might want to look into just changing and putting like a nice replacement strut for a better ride, something that handles a little better, especially for my highway driving. I've been taking a lot more on the highway now. So I found on American Muscle, they had some open box, brand new, basically, Koni STRT struts. And I was like, you know what? Those will still fit my coilover, the coilover conversion I have, which is from UPR. The sad thing is, I really would like to get the Bilsteins that match the rear, but it even says right in there, hey, this coilover conversion does not match, does not work with Bilstein struts. So I was like, I'm not going to rebuy everything, and plus the Bilstein struts are like $600, which, I mean, whatever. But the coilover kit, I'm not going to rebuy that. I have one, and it works great. So I found and looked up on the Konis, and they were, comparable, and I think they'll do great. So when I took the old struts out, by the way, shout out to American Muscle, I got these things within like 2 days. I ordered them on Friday at 7 in the morning, and they showed up on a Sunday. So anyways, I get them out, and this is what I ran into. All right, so I got the old Lakewoods out. They don't exactly look the prettiest, but they worked. Or did they? I tried them out right here. Just kind of like, okay, that one's got some good tension to it. Not bad. You had to put a good amount of pressure on it. This fella right here, mind you, it's driver's side, just completely gone. Nothing left in it. So I'd say that was definitely a warranted change. Those things are shot, not even worth keeping. They're going in the trash. So no wonder this thing was all over the road. Those struts are just shot. Like, I was going to keep them so I can swap them in when I go to the racetrack or something, but they're not even worth keeping. These things are they're just garbage. They're junk. I don't know how long they've been like that, but I know how bad they ride. And I'll do another video just to show you guys how the ride changes with these new struts in here. Look at this kid out here making TikToks of his car. So just as a quick vid, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.